All right, well, I had a little time to get out in the shop tonight, so trying to get a couple things mounted up. First is that my ARB single cylinder compressor. I had this in my yellow Jeep that got wrecked, and I pulled it out, so getting that mounted up. And I bought this switch pod just off Amazon. It's not an expensive one, but I like the idea of having the unit under the hood and then wiring accessories to that and only having to go through the firewall once, because the switch pod will be inside, the relay and head unit, or not head unit, but the relay system will be under the hood. So I got them mounted physically in. They're not wired in yet. I've got to do that at a later time, but let's show you up here quick. I had to fabricate, this is some old wiring I need to deal with. Had to fabricate a couple small brackets here to mount it. It'll move a little bit, but it's actually in there pretty good. Got the ARB mounted up. So next thing, this is an old switch from some, I don't know what he had, some lights, I think LEDs. So right now I just got them stored. There's a switch on the lower dash inside, but so got them mounted up, and I just dressed out the wiring and then zip tied it up till I have time to terminate all the wiring and get everything connected up. So basically just hard mounted tonight. Thanks for watching.